Here are the teaching and non-teaching personnel of Calomboyan Elementary School. Mrs. Rebecca C. Gutierrez, School Principal. Mrs. Winnie D. Sabignano, Kindergarten Teacher. Mrs. Divina C. Aquino, Grade 1 Teacher. Mrs. Venus B. Posadas, Grade 1 Teacher. Mrs. Leticia F. Benitez, Grade 1 Teacher. Mrs. Marilyn S. Solomon, Grade 2 Teacher. Mrs. Vilma B. Poragas, Grade 2 Teacher. Mrs. Leonora C. Inargan, Grade 2 Teacher. Mrs. Ingrid C. Asana, Grade 3 Teacher. Mrs. Jinky D. Ginocor, Grade 3 Teacher. Mrs. Annalyn P. Curva, Grade 4 Teacher. Mr. Brando C. Canila, Grade 4 Teacher. Miss Delia M. Sanchez, Grade 5 Teacher. Mrs. Soledad F. Padua, Grade 5 Teacher. Mrs. Marnella D. Velasco, Grade 5 Teacher. Mrs. Mary Ann D. Ramos, Grade 6 Teacher. Mrs. Clarence D. Canila, Grade 6 Teacher. Dr. Maggie Joanne C. Bautista, Grade 6 Teacher. Mrs. Lenora M. De La Cruz, Relieving Teacher. Mrs. Zenaida E. Posadas, Relieving Teacher. Mrs. Lourdes C. Caranto, House Teacher. Mr. Rosario R. Claudio, Administrative Officer 2. Mr. Dante M. Paliso, School Security Guard. Mr. Jimmy D. Harillo, School Security Guard.